Meghan and Harry are especially worried about drones attempting to snap photos of the couple with their son Archie playing outside their home. The Sussex have been staying at Tyler Perry's Los Angeles residence ever since they relocated to California from Canada in March. There have been at least 5 drone-related incidents at the mansion so far this month, all of which they reported to authorities, in which paparazzi photographs have reportedly flown drones as low as 20 feet above the property in order to snap photos of Prince Harry, Meghan, and their 1-year-old son Archie. There was a recent drone incident on Memorial Day when they were outside with Archie at the pool. There have been photos and videos depicting pictures of the couple with their dog outside their home. So what do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on the next video. Bye.